Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Mr. Aiman.
Yes.
Alright. Today I want to interview some questions about DeepSeek AI, and I want to ask you specifically because you are a student in KICT and
Yes.
is actually frequently using AI.
Okay.
So I want to ask for your experience about it.
Oh, okay.
So I am Faris from section 3, human computer interaction, and please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Aiman. I'm from HCI 2, year 2, and study in course computer science.
Alright. So I will go straight forward to the questions. Okay, for the first question, what features do you frequently ask for or complain about in DeepSeek AI?
The features that I usually complain about in the HCI AI is the prompt, which is cannot be specific in certain things, such as if I want a table, DeepSeek should show me the table, not lots of the terms, the sentence. So there's features that I want DeepSeek to get that.
I see. So you just provide text. There is no tables.
The table no image generator. Yeah.
I see. So it's purely text generation, right? Alright, thank you for the first question. Second, how do you usually phrase your prompts when using DeepSeek AI?
I usually phrase by I put some reference for the DeepSeek, and then I prompt some sentence to give the DeepSeek details about how to solve the problems. Like I upload an image about poster recruitment for a program, right? So I want the DeepSeek to create a viral message caption for the poster, such as to promote the recruitment session lah. Yeah, that's my style.
Nice. For the third one, what doubts do you have before using its responses in your work?
My doubts is it always shows overload in the server when I upload the 7 images. Actually, in the image they have some information that I want to DeepSeek to describe or to extract them. It always said that sorry, server is overload, something like that. So that's my problem.
I see. So it have limited amount of files you can
Yes,
use,
limited.
right? Alright. Do you think it's better or worse than other AI tools? Why?
For me, if I compare with the ChatGPT
Yeah.
without premium, actually DeepSeek is better because DeepSeek have unlimited tokens. I mean, there's something like unlimited prompting to get the data, right? But in the context of ChatGPT Plus, so the ChatGPT Plus is better than DeepSeek. So maybe DeepSeek is in the middle, but still good for the students to use it.
I see, because it have unlimited amount of use. Except for ChatGPT, it have like a standard limited tokens you can use per day. Alright. What makes you hesitate before using DeepSeek for a task?
My hesitation maybe just about the overload things.
That's it. But you don't worry about the content or anything. You just worry
The
about
content.
time.
About how fast that the DeepSeek will give the answer for me. That's my hesitation, because sometimes it keeps loading when I want the DeepSeek to give the answer. I want it punctual, but still give me a late 30 second or late 1 minute.
I see, punctual, on time.
No, not on time.
How do you incorporate DeepSeek's output into your projects? Like, do you usually copy paste or you will edit it first?
Yeah. I usually I use DeepSeek, and then after it give me an answer,
Mm-hmm.
I will take it 100% of it, and then I adjust it a little bit to make it related to my preference, such as in coding, right? So for sometimes we want to make a front end or the web page in our taste, not the AI taste. So I copy it and then I paste, and then if it's good for me, so maybe I will use it, or if it's not, I will change a little bit of it to make it good.
So the output act as a base.
Yeah, like a base. Like a skeleton,
and
yeah.
then you modify it for your
Yes.
I see. Do you cross-check answers with other sources? How?
Yes, I always do it in another AI related or AI apps related, such as after for example, I want to the DeepSeek to create an image, but if the image doesn't satisfy what is my needs, I will refer to Canva, because now Canva have a AI generator, right? So I refer them, and then I make a same prompt to the Canva to create the same image that I want sometimes, and then I refer to another application just like image generator or ChatGPT.
I see. So you compare between all of it
I compare between.
and then take the best one.
Yes.
I see. Do you pair DeepSeek with other tools like image generators or anything?
No, I usually if I use DeepSeek, I will focus in the AI chatbot in that type, which means that if I
For
want
text.
to for text, if I want it to create a sentence or a paragraph, I will adjust and edit or delete only in the DeepSeek. I will not use it in other tools. So it will match the AI's style, if I can say, the AI's personalization.
I see. Have you ever abandoned a task because DeepSeek couldn't help? What did you do instead?
Abandon
Like when you try to put your prompt and then like it doesn't give what you want.
Please, I will use another chatbot which means I will use usually if DeepSeek cannot satisfy my task, cannot give a result what I want, so I will use another chatbot. Just like ChatGPT mostly, and then sometimes I use Cloud AI if my assignment is in the coding context. Yeah.
I see. Okay, nice. Now for the last question. What frustrates you the most about using DeepSeek?
My frustration in the DeepSeek is it is lack of tools, not like ChatGPT, because ChatGPT have the image generator or the tables generator, but in DeepSeek it's still in the text style, and then the it is make a delay when giving the answer, and then lastly of course the overload things.
The overload of the server.
Overload of the
and
server.
It refuses to give your answer.
Yes. I think that's three of them.
Alright.
That's all.
Okay, that was the last question, and thank you for answering my questions for this.
Okay, my pleasure. Yes.